The mid-engine Corvette shook up the sports car world, and now, Chevy's back to refine the formula. The 2026 Corvette C8 is here, and it's sharper, smarter, and faster than ever. If you thought the C8 had already peaked, think again. Welcome to Next Gen Reviews, where we take a closer look at what makes this American icon better than ever. Design. Chevy didn't mess with success, but they did give the 2026 C8 a more aggressive presence. You'll notice redesigned front and rear fascias, sharper lines, and new aero touches that actually improve cooling and downforce. A new set of forged wheels, updated LED lighting, and fresh paint options give it a slightly more exotic flair, without losing that unmistakable Corvette DNA. Performance. Under the hood, or rather, behind the seats, the naturally aspirated 6.2 LLT2 V8 is still the heart of the C8. But in 2026, it's been refined for better response and efficiency, pushing out a little more horsepower and torque. Paired with the lightning-fast dual-clutch 8-speed, you get explosive acceleration and tight, balanced handling. Magnetic ride control is now standard on more trims, giving you race-day performance with daily comfort. Features and technology. Inside, the cockpit feels like a jet fighter, still driver-focused, but more refined. A larger, curved digital display replaces the old cluster, and Chevy's upgraded infotainment now supports wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Over-the-air updates, enhanced voice controls, and optional performance data logging make the 2026 C8 as smart as it is fast. Conclusion. So, is the 2026 Corvette C8 still the supercar killer it was meant to be? Absolutely. It's more refined, more capable, and still offers insane value for the performance you get. What do you think? Has Chevy perfected the C8, or is it time for the next evolution? Drop your thoughts in the comments, smash that like button, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more honest takes on the hottest cars and bikes. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next ride.